This is our 2008 C&C 115, a beautiful 38-foot performance sailboat that has been well maintained, upgraded, and conditioned to the highest performance standards without sacrificing her luxurious cruising comfort. The C&C 115 was recognized as Boat of the Year by Sailing World when it was introduced in 2006. Resolute, with her very competitive PHRF rating of 66, is a fast and fun racer cruiser whether offshore or in the bay. She represents the ultimate combination of performance combined flawlessly with comfortable cruising accommodations. There have been many recent updates including batteries, Bimini and Dodger, and Quantum Mainsail and Jib, so check out the listing in the description for all of the details and enjoy the walkthrough. We hope you enjoyed this video walkthrough of our 2008 C&C 115. As always, the full specs and asking price are at the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and please consider subscribing for more video walkthroughs. And for more listings, visit our website.